Good morning everyone. My name is Palakdeep Kaur. So today I'm going to give a very brief presentation on the topic protein supplementation in resistance training athletes. So before moving further, let's talk about what exactly the protein is. So the protein is made up of amino acids. So amino acids being the building blocks of protein. So what exactly the amino acid is? So one amino acid is made up of four groups, the centered being the carbon atom, which is bounded by three groups. The first being the amino group, second the R group, and the last one is the carboxylic acid group. So basically, centered being the carbon, which is surrounded by one R group, one amino group, and one carboxylic acid group. So when one amino acid combines with other amino acids, it makes peptide bonds, and further the peptide bonds bounded with another peptide bonds which led to polypeptide bonds, and polypeptide bonds makes the protein. So we do have two type of amino acids. The first being the essential amino acid, which we take like intake through our diet, and the second being the non-essential amino acids, which builds in our body. We don't need to take intake it through our diet or from any supplement. So let's move further to protein quality. We do have complete protein and incomplete protein quality. So the complete protein is when it contains all the 9 essential amino acids, and the incomplete protein being the lack or has inadequate amount of one or more than one essential amino acids. So some good sources of proteins are eggs, dairy products, fish, beans and legumes, seeds, tree nuts, fruits and vegetable, quinoa, protein, dietary supplements. So let's move further. Uh, what's the protein used during resistance training? So during the training, it does the muscle reconditioning, and it doesn't appear to increase protein oxidation. It stimulates muscle tissue catabolism, and it also leads to catabolism and anabolism, and it leads to protein muscle synthesis and breakdown. So uh, during the workout we do have some protein losses. So when the presence of protein in our urine, it is called protein urea. So what are how the protein is lost during the workout? It is through the urinary losses, sweat losses, gastrointestinal losses. Moving further to the protein metabolism after the training resistance workout. So resistance training caused muscle protein breakdown in the targeted muscles, and muscle repair and rebuilding. Micro tearing in muscle fibers impair muscle protein synthesis and muscle protein synthesis during recovery period. After the workout, the recovery of the muscles and the protein synthesis leads in the recovery periods, like the adaptations. So what are the recommended dietary intake for the resistance training athletes? So it's 1.2 to 1.7 grams of protein per kilogram of their body weight per day. So this was my presentation for today. So thank you so much.